Thank you so much for tuning back into Van News Live, taking a look outside here in Fargo. We do have the start of our 2 first alert weather days today for some of those storms and that heat, but mostly for those storms and that heat tomorrow. Now, like I said, taking a look outside just into here in Fargo at that Corwin Skycam, we're starting to see those rain showers already make their way through. Now, most of this is still in North Dakota. We're starting to see 2 different bands, one up in the Northern Valley near that Langdon that does have a band stretching through the Fargo FM area just to the north of us, and we also have another one setting up just near that Jamestown area that is going to continue to develop throughout the next couple hours, giving us that chance of those severe storms. And with that, we do have some risks. Now, like I said earlier, we do have this green, which is that marginal level 1 risk, but this yellow area is where we're starting to see that risk for some areas like that tornado. We can see a possibility of up to 2 inches in hail. That does have a moderate risk, high winds up to 70 miles an hour, and that localized flooding. So here is your hour-by-hour forecast on what you can expect. Now, those showers will continue to develop and they will continue to push through, and they're moving to the southeast. Now, throughout the rest of your evening and overnight hours is when this system will continue to move through, and like as I said, we're just watching that Jamestown Valley City area, and that's where we're going to see some of those most and those stronger severe storms. Now, by around 7:30, that will continue to push through, and it will just be scraping by the southwestern part of the Fargo FM area. Now, by around 9:30, those showers are continuing to move through, and it is going to be very muggy because of that high humidity, and it will continue to move through. We can see some areas of some isolated fog overnight tonight, but around 3 a.m., most of those showers and those clouds are into areas like Minnesota. And tomorrow morning for your morning commute, temperatures are going to start out in those upper 60s. Some areas still in those 70s tomorrow morning with those partly cloudy skies. And that's going to start that heat up tomorrow by around lunchtime. Temperatures are already in those mid to upper 80s, and it's going to only increase by tomorrow afternoon with temperatures in those 90s in some areas here in Fargo getting to 100 degrees. Now, tomorrow night we have another chance of some storms and showers. This is going to be along that I-94 corridor, much like today, near that Jamestown and Valley City area, and that's going to continue to move to the east. Now, this is going to start to develop and just calm down after that sun sets, but we do have another first alert weather day tomorrow for that near record breaking heat. Now, this is your hometown forecast for tomorrow. Most of us are going to be in those 90s, few of us even breaking 100 degrees. And we have already had 17 days above 90 degrees here in Fargo. But right now here in Fargo, we're still sitting relatively cooler. We're sitting at around 88 degrees, but we also have those breezy winds out of the south-southeast gusting up to 22 miles an hour, with other areas still in those 80s. A few of us are sitting in those 70s, and that's where we're seeing the scattered showers and those thunderstorms already arrive. And you can see here with that dew point temperature, it is very moist and muggy near that Langdon area, and especially just to the southwest of Oaks area. And that is going to continue throughout the next 7 days. We do have those temperatures dipping down into those 80s, but yet another chance of some showers and thunderstorms Sunday night. And then, Bobby, we do have things quiet down for a little while. We have another round of showers and storms next week to start off our August.
Well, you know, storms and all that stuff I think will take as long as we don't have to worry about triple-digit heat.
Yes, it'll be in the 80s.
Yeah, which would be very nice. Shelby, thank you so much.